Holiday season is right around the corner, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a personal gift guide for every single one of your clients in just a couple of minutes. All right, so I jumped right into my CRM to talk about the first way you can pull this off. Anybody who's watched my other videos knows that I'm a huge fan of segmenting to achieve that personalization at scale. And that's another strategy that you can use here. So some examples, you could create different groups of customers based on if they're discount shoppers, vice versa, maybe if they're always shopping the higher priced items, and create gift guides surrounding those. Another option, every single brand's products are grouped into some sort of collection, and those collections are created to try to guide customers into what they might also like. So you in store can take advantage of that and look for customers who have shopped certain collections in the past and create different gift guides off of either that collection, different products in that collection, or another collection that goes really well with the existing collection that they love shopping from. Finally, to get really simple, you could go down to product type level. Do they shop dresses? Do they shop coats? Do they shop maybe handbags or jewelry from us? Once you're able to group your customers into these different buckets, the process is as simple as creating gift guides that work for those buckets and sending them out to those customers. Effectively, personal gift guide for everybody on that list. Now, how you choose to create these gift guides is really up to you. In Endear, we have this product story builder here where you can actually use the existing images of your products that are live on the website and put them into these really pretty looking gift guides. But if you can't take advantage of something like this, I would really just say keep it simple. You want to make sure the recommendation gets out to the customer more than anything else. On that note, if you don't have the advantage of a system or a CRM like Endear where you can even begin to group your customers into these different buckets, then I have a couple of creative ways that you can still pull this off. First, and this one is probably my favorite way to pull this off, is to send out just a first message asking what that customer might be interested in. It sounds so simple, but I see this work over and over again with customers. The message might be like, hey, it's Casey from Suburban Outfitters Soho here. I know you're probably getting a crazy amount of marketing and everything thrown at you by all sorts of brands, ours included. So I just wanted to see if there was anything in particular you're shopping for this year, because I could put together a personal gift guide for you. You can send that message out to every single customer in your book, and it still works and is super personal. Then you wait for responses to come back, and you should still have different versions of gift guides ready to go so you can be efficient in getting those replies back out to that customer. Finally, the last way you can pull this off, and I'll admit this one is a little bit of a loophole, but customers who go out of their way to come shop with you in store trust your advice and they want your expertise. They want your styling. They want to feel like they're getting that insider info from you. So even if you're not able to pull off the other strategies I talked about in this video, the least you can do is put together a personal gift guide, something like my favorites for her or my favorites for him, and send that out to your customers, because even that can have a huge impact, especially when we're talking about customers that come into your store to shop with you in person. Thank you so much for watching this video. And as always, if you go test this out in the real world, please let us know what sort of results that you see. If you like this video, please hit that like button down below and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can be notified when we release any future videos. Until then, happy gifting.